What does vitamin A do?
Vitamin A has many physiological functions, especially ones important for eye health, reproductive health, thyroid health, immunity, and how our cells communicate with each other. So let's just zoom in to three health effects. Let's look at vision, too heavy periods, and our susceptibility to infection. So vitamin A is a component of a protein called rhodopsin, which is found in the photoreceptor cells in our eyes called rods. Rods, rhodopsin, which absorb light as it hits the retina, which is where vitamin A gets its chemical name retinol or retinal. Vitamin A is also used by the other type of photoreceptor cells in our eyes called cones and is important for our ability to see color. So between these two functions, vitamin A is necessary for the retina to function properly, and especially for seeing in dim light conditions, why one of the symptoms of vitamin A deficiency is night blindness, as well as color vision and eye health more broadly. For example, reducing risk of age-related macular degeneration. In terms of supporting a healthy menstrual cycle, deficiency of vitamin A has been identified as a potential contributing factor to too heavy periods, technically called menorrhagia, which I don't know if I'm pronouncing correctly. Feel free to correct me in the comments below. So not only do low serum levels of vitamin A increase risk, but there have been some clinical trials where vitamin A supplementation restores period heaviness to normal. And there's several ways that getting enough vitamin A increases our resistance to infections. Vitamin A is important for maintaining the health of mucosal tissues, like the surface of our lungs or the lining of our gastrointestinal tracts, which are major routes of entry for infectious organisms. Vitamin A is important for the functioning of white blood cells and for the functioning of antibodies. So our immune systems are better able to respond to infections when we're getting enough vitamin A. Now, of course, all of these health effects are multifactorial. Not only are there other nutrients that are important, but so are lifestyle, other health-related behaviors, genetics, social determinants of health, etc. From a nutrition standpoint, this emphasizes the value of a food-based approach because it's the most efficient, cheap, and effective way to get the full range of nutrients our bodies need. And that's the goal of Nutrivore. And if you're interested in learning more about the Nutrivore dietary philosophy, might I suggest my book, Nutrivore, available wherever books are sold.